This tutorial is going to walk you through how to apply to our school, Notre Dame Preparatory and Marist Academy. There are two different ways you can go ahead and apply for our school. There's the domestic applicant or international applicant. If you are an international applicant, you would click on the second link. On this page, it walks you through the process and what needs to happen to apply. If you are an international applicant, you do need to contact Ms. Kayla Parker, and her email is here at kparker@ndpma.org. I will go back a page here. If you are a domestic applicant, you would click on the first link, and then it takes you to this screen here where it talks about the different requirements for each division here at our school. So we have grades 9 through 12. In the requirements for grades 9 through 12, there are 3 additional forms that will need to be filled out. For one of them is the high school placement test. We also have the academic information request form to the student's current school they're at, and then also a student evaluation form to the student's current school. For the middle division, grades 6 through 8, we have the requirements there. Families will need to fill out the Iowa testing form. Again, we have our academic information request form and student evaluation form to fill out as well. And the last division here talks about the lower division, grades JK through 5. And as well, there are some forms that will need to be additionally filled out through the enrollment process. Once you're ready to start the application process, you click on the Enroll Now button. And then it takes you to this page where the actual forms are at. We have the form for Notre Dame Preparatory School, our grades 9 through 12. We have the form for our middle division, grades 6 through 8, and for our lower division, grades JK through 5. If I were applying to the high school, I'll click on the first form. Then from here, if I already have a student that attends, if you already have a student that attends our school, then you would log in with your username and password you've already have set up. But if you are a new family coming into our school, you would click on New User Registration. Under the new user registration, you would fill out your first name, last name, email, you would set up a user ID and create a password, and then submit this section. The next screen takes you and asks you, what is your relationship to the applicant? Are you the father? Are you one of the grandparents? Are you a host family? Or are you the mother? You would choose an option and then click Continue. From there, then it takes you through more of this application form. You will need to fill out all of the sections, especially the required sections with the stars. As you're filling out the application form, don't forget to click Save. You can also save and exit without submitting and get back in with that username password you created, and then click Next if you continue to walk through and finish the process itself. So as you finish all the steps of the application, you finish the process that takes place for applying for Notre Dame Preparatory and Marist Academy.